Good morning, friends. In the last lectures, we studied problems related with the constant temperature process, constant pressure process, and constant volume process. Today, we'll see remaining types of the process is the reversible adiabatic process and polytropic process. First, we'll see a reversible adiabatic process. As you know, in the adiabatic process means there is no exchange of the heat between system to surrounding and surrounding to systems. Means there is no any exchange of the heat between system and surrounding. So that's why dq equal to 0. So first we start by applying first law of thermodynamics. For study of the reversible adiabatic process. So as you know, dq equal to this is dw plus delta u. So during the adiabatic process, there is no any exchange of the heat. So that's why this dq equal to 0, and dw equal to, as you know, pdv plus this is mcv, and delta u means this is mcv into dt. And gas equations, by using gas equation, as you know, gas equations PV equal to this is mRT. Differentiating, suppose this is first equation, so differentiating equation, suppose this is first and this is second, equation second. So applying here, so this is the product. So that's why P into dV plus V into dP, and this is equal to mR into dt, and dt equal to this is pdv plus vdp divided by mR. Now put dt, putting value of dt in equation 1. So here's, so that's why pdv plus mcv into pdv plus vdp divided by mR. So this m will get cancelled, and this is pdv equal to cv divided by r's pdv plus vdp. Now for cv again, we knows Cp minus Cv equal to R. So by taking here's commons Cv in bracket Cp divided by Cv minus 1 equal to R, and the Cp divided by Cv, this is nothing but the index gamma, and this is equal to R, or Cv equal to Cv, because here's Cv divided by Rs, so that's why This is 1 divided by gamma minus 1. Now CV equal to gamma minus 1, by putting in these equations PdV plus 1 divided by gamma minus 1 in brackets PdV plus VdP. Now by taking LCM, this is PdV gamma minus 1 plus PdV plus VdP, and this gamma minus 1 divided by hairs by taking LCM. Now cross multiplications, this becomes left hand side terms becomes 0. Now by expanding this PdV gamma minus PdV plus PdV plus VdP. So this minus PdV and plus PdV, this will get cancelled, and what is remaining? This is VdP plus gamma PdV equal to 0. Right? Now suppose this is third equation. Now third equations, dividing equation third by PV. So that's why here's dP divided by P plus this P will get cancelled, and this is dV divided by V, and this is equal to 0. This is clear? Now by taking integration, so that's why this is dP by P plus gamma dV by V, this is equal to 0. Now integrations means this is log of E P plus gamma, and this is log of E V, and this is equal to log of E C. Same equations now by using logarithms formula. So here's you can write this is P into so this V raised to gamma equal to C. So this is one relations, PV raised to gamma equal to C. Now as you know, work done equal to P into dV. So this is P. By using PV equal to C, so P equal to C divided by V raised to gamma. Now put C V raised to gamma into dV. Take this C constant outside, and this is V raised to gamma minus 1 dV. Now by taking integrations, C here's, and this is 1 is to 2, so that's why V minus gamma 1 plus 1 divided by minus gamma 1 plus 1, and this is 1 is to 2. Same equations we can write C equal to V raised to gamma minus 1 minus gamma plus 1 divided by, now change of this sign, 1 minus gamma equal to, this is now change, this is 2 instead of the 2, now this becomes 2 is to 1, right. So again this C equal to this value, now put C equal to PV raised to gamma V raised to gamma minus gamma plus 1 divided by 1 minus gamma. So that's why PV raised to gamma minus gamma plus 1 divided by, this is 1 minus gamma. So this plus gamma minus gamma, this will get cancelled, and this is PV divided by 1 minus gamma, and this PV, and this is 1 is to 2. So that's why we can write this is P1 V1, this is important relations, P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by 1 minus gamma. So this is work done equal to. For a reversible adiabatic process, you got these relations, W equal to P1s V1s minus P2 V2 divided by 1 minus gamma. This is important relations. Sorry, this is by change up of the sign, means this is gamma minus 1. This is not 1 minus gamma, gamma minus 1, because gamma is 1.4. So this is gamma minus 1. Now by applying again, this is second point B, applications of first law of thermodynamics. Means yes, dq equal to dw plus delta u. Now this is 0 and this dw equal to, you got this work done P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1, and this is U2 minus U1. Right, same equations also we can write, this is MR and this is V1, so that's why T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1, and this is also equations. So that's why here I can put MR T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1, and this is U2 minus U1. Now change, and this is take minus u2 u1 equal to mr T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. Now change by multiplying this negative signs. So this becomes u1 minus u2 equal to mr T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. And this is applications of the first law of thermodynamics for a reversible adiabatic process. Or otherwise, same equations means you can write, and this is u1 minus u2 equal to mCV into, and this is T1, because this is change in internal energy equal to, and this is nothing but this is work done. So this is also one another relations. W equal to mCV T1 minus T2 equal to. Either use these equations or this equation. So this is the applications of the first law of thermodynamics. This is clear. Now we will see second process is the means this is we already studied constant volume process, constant temperature process, and constant thermal process, and this is a reversible adiabatic process. Now fifth type is the process is the polytropic process. So in the polytropic process, what is the change? So as you know, constant volume process means, yes, equations basic, this is equal to constant volume process, right? And this is PV equal to means 1, this is PV raised to 0. This process is the constant temperature process, and this is equal to C, and PV raised to 1, and this is equal to C. So this is not temperature, this is pressure process, and this process is the according to the Boyle's law. This is constant temperature process, or this is the isothermal process. Now adiabatic process, PV raised to gamma equal to, this is adiabatic process. So during this process, there is no any exchange of the heat between system and surroundings. Now polytropic process means, in this polytropic process we are allowing this exchange of the heat between systems and surroundings, or surrounding to the systems. So that's why this value of the gamma, this is equal to, value of the gamma equal to 1.4. Now this gamma is to be replaced, this index is to be replaced by N, and this process are called as polytropic process. So value of this N may be greater than 1.4 or less than 1.4. So that depends on the which type of the gas. So this is gamma equal to this is applicable for pure hydrogens, nitrogens, oxygens and CO2, likewise is gases. So this is the polytropic process for remaining, means for the mixtures. So this value may be greater than or less than 1.4. So this is the basic PV raised to, you studied this is maybe in 12th science, gamma raised to infinity, and this is equal to constant volume process, and this is PV raised to 0, means this is constant pressure process. PV raised to 1, so this process is the constant temperature or isothermal process, and this is PV raised to gamma, this is the adiabatic, reversible adiabatic process, and PV raised to n is the, and this is the polytropic process. Now for polytropic process, we will study, so what is the output of the polytropic process. So for polytropic process, work done equal to, so this is only P1, V1, P2, V2, and this is, instead of the gamma, we have to replace, this is n minus 1. So that's why, and same equations we can write mr into T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1, work done equal to, and for change in entropy equal to U2 minus U1, this is equal to mCV T2 minus T1. This is the change in entropy. Now applications above the first law of thermodynamics, equal to dq equal to dw or q equal to work done plus delta u. Now here's put value of the w, q equal to mr T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1 plus this is m CV T2 minus T1. Now by taking commons, q m CV into T2 minus T1. Now what are the remaining terms? Here's, so this m by taking outside CV, so that's why CV, and this is T2 minus T1, so that's why this sign change, negative sign. So this is mCV T2 minus T1, and this is T1 minus T2, so that's why this is negative sign. And what is remaining here? This is R. and this is plus 1. And these terms, remaining terms, n minus 1. This is clear? CV. But Cp minus Cv equal to R. Now, by taking commas Cv, so this is Cp divided by Cv minus 1, and this is equal to R, and this ratio is nothing but the gamma minus 1 equal to R, or this gamma minus 1 equal to R divided by Cv. Now put gamma in these equations. Q equal to mCv T2 minus T1 plus minus, because this is minus sign, plus this is in bracket negative gamma minus 1 divided by n minus 1, and this is plus 1, right? So Q equal to mCv T2 minus T1. Now by taking LCMs, n minus 1, this is expand gamma minus plus 1, and this becomes plus n minus gamma. So this plus and this will get cancelled, and what is remaining? Q equal to mCv T2 minus T1 equal to n minus gamma divided by n minus 1. This is clear? Now same you can write, this is Cv raised to n minus gamma and divided by n minus 1 equal to T2 minus T1. Now these terms are called as Q equal to m Cn into T2 minus T1, where Cn equal to, this is n minus gamma divided by n minus 1, and this Cn so this is Cn are called as polytropic specific heat. This is clear? Q equal to, so this is the applications of the first law of thermodynamics for polytropic process. So next is the relationship between or combinations of the polytropic law and characteristics equations. Combinations of polytropic law and characteristic gas equation. This is next articles. So what is the combinations that we will see? So according to the polytropic law, PV raised to gamma equal to C, or P1's V1 raised to gamma, P2 V2 raised to gamma equal to C. And gas equations, what is gas equation? P1's V1 equal to M R T1's. Suppose this is first equations and this is second equations, and this is again gas equations. P2 V2 equal to M R T2. This is equation third. Now equation second dividing now we will see combinations law of the combinations of the polytropic law and characteristics gas equations. So as you know, according to the polytropic laws, PV raised to N equal to C. Same equations we can write. This is PV raised to N equal to P2 raised to N V2 raised to this is P2 V2 raised to N equal to constant. Suppose this equations is the first equations, and gas equation, characteristics gas equations, you can say characteristics gas equations, P1 V1 equal to M R T1's, and this is P2 V2 M R T2. Suppose this is second equations and this is equation third. Now equation third dividing by equation second, what we will get? This is P2 V2 equal to M R T2 divided by P1's V1 equal means or M R T1's, this will get cancelled, and T2 divided by T1's equal to P2 divided by P1's V2 divided by V1's. Suppose this is fourth equation. Now by using equation first, so this is first equations, P1 V1 raised to N equal to P2 V2 raised to N. Same equations we can write, this is P1 divided by P2 and this V2 divided raised to N divided by V1 raised to N. Now same we can write, this is V2 divided by V1 equal to P1 raised to 1 by N and P2 raised to 1 by N, or otherwise, because yes we request this is P2, so that's why we can take this is P2 raised to 1 by minus N, and this is P1 raised to 1 minus N. Now by putting value of V2 divided by V1's in equation, this is fourth equation, so this is fourth equation, so that's why I can write this is T2 divided by T1's and this is P2 divided by P1's equal to P2 divided by P1's raised to 1 minus 1 by N. Now summations by adding this is 1 minus and this is P1, right, and T2 divided by T1 is equal to, now by taking LCMs, n minus 1, and this is P2 divided by n, and this is P1, n minus 1. So this is same equations you can write, this is P2 divided by P1's raised to n minus 1 divided by n. So this is important relations. T2 divided by T1 is equal to P2 divided by n minus, this is n minus 1 divided by n, and this is P1. These important equations. So this equations is very important in the applied thermodynamics or in the thermodynamics and in the heat transfer, refrigeration, air conditioning. So this is very important equations. Otherwise, same equations you can modify, and this is P2 divided by P1 is equal to T2 divided by T1's raised to n divided by n minus n. And this is also you can use. This is clear.